How to fix 0x80888002 0x40008 error when upgrading to Windows 11. Hello friends, when trying to upgrade to Windows 11, you might encounter this error code. This error code appears because your computer does not meet with compatibility check during installation. To get rid of this issue, you can use some commands. These commands will allow Windows to skip the TPM check. Follow the steps to fix the error code. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes on user account control. Go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run each of the commands one by one. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. For me, error is showing because I am not encountering the error. On your computer, the output will be different. In the same way, copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. After running the command, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and run the installer. Right click on the ISO file, select mount, click on open, right click on setup.exe and click on open. Yes. Click on change how setup downloads updates. Select not right now. Uncheck this box. Click on next. The error code will no longer appear. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.